Assalamu Alaikum.
Welcome to week 5 of our 90 days Surah Al-Baqarah Memorization Challenge. This week, we'll focus on verses 122 to 148, continuing our journey through the Quran. Today is day 28, so it's time to review verses 91 to 121. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've memorized so far, strengthen our recitation, and deepen our connection with these powerful verses. Remember, revision is the key to long-term retention, so let's keep up the great work.
This week, we'll focus on verses 122 to 148, continuing to build on the foundation we've set in the past 4 weeks. Approach each day with dedication, and remember that this is not just a mental exercise, but a spiritual journey that brings us closer to Allah. Take your time to understand the meanings behind these verses, and set aside quiet moments each day to fully immerse yourself in memorization. Together, we'll keep making steady progress, Insha'Allah.
Keep pushing forward, and may Allah make this path easy and rewarding for you. Don't forget to review today and as often as possible to solidify each verse in your memory. I'll see you tomorrow as we continue with our challenge. Let's make each day count, Inshallah.